Alright, Ethan, it's the quest. It's a quest to go to the bell tower.
Let's do this.
What were you just doing?
Yeah. You better walk away.
Don't kill the lonely albinos. It's not nice.
What it is okay. I have to kill someone with a throwing knife.
It's still not nice. Can't believe you did that.
This video.
You know what? I'm gonna do this really fast because I'm a ninja.
10.
19.
Times.
I got this. Finally!
I just realized something.
What?
I asked what 11 times 2 was, and I realized that was 21.
Wow. Alright, I turned it off. The quest is done. Smash that baby. Whew! You was right.
The singer.
Oh, what did we get?
Yummy,
We got some guys over here in a cabin over here. Relaxing down there. Okay, what else we got? We got a broken car and a hitchhiker who wants to steal your money. And over here, we got a Buddha and its little leopard, a little dog.
Like his little moth.
And you know what he named his dog? You know what he named his dog? Garfunkel. Oh! He's a pro! So let's see. What do we need for crafting? Ooh, I want the loot bag. So Ethan, you know what this means? Do you know what this means? It's time for fishing! Time to fish! We're fish experts. Fishing! Fishing, fishing, fishing! Fishing, na na na, fishing.
Yep.
Na na.
Yep. Carrying a body, fishing. Yeah. Guess what his name was.
They can't see that. They can't know we did that. Shoot him.
Got him.
Get him. Get that. Get him.
Guess what his name was.
All right. All right. All right. All right. Pull out your. All right.
Guess what his name was.
All right. Fishing.
Guess what his name was.
What?
Yes.
All right. We gotta find some fish.
We should do some trick shot montage. Oh, I'm. And you would be the ball.
I found a fish.
You just shot your flare gun at it.
Yep. Found some fish. Matrix.
You stink. I have to go all the way back up.
They got back on.
Oh, you're bad. You're bad.
I got him.
Alright.
Let's steal their boat. Run. Run to their boat.
Go.
You see that body, right? Oh, it's sinking! Oh, and there's a dead fish, dude! My name's Jeff!
Are you?
What the heck is it? I'm dead. Oh my god. Fine out.
Oh my god.
Your little motors. Look at him have his little motors. You stink! I spawned in the water!
Here, go kill it. Go.
No! Shh, Ethan, come here. Ethan, shh. found some hard, wet, very wet, hard shell. Come here. Albinos. Shh. No. No, shh. Shh. No. No, don't kill it. Don't kill it.
No.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little bar of fur. You stink. This one's my baby. No! No, my turtle's still good. No, he's dead. No,
Yes.
you bum.
Mine.
You bum.
Invincible.
Dude, you're just like standing there. You're just standing there.
I have my bow out. I have my bow out.
Oh, there you go. Wait, no, is that me? Did I just choke and die?
Oh no.
Oh, that was you.
Heck, it's not working.
Hold X to interact. Whoa! What the heck?
Oh, what the heck?
Hey, dude, we're in zombies now.
Dude,
What the heck?
no.
You
know what?
What the heck?
You know what I could finally do?
Well, you can figure out what we can finally do in our next episode.
Yep.
And Ethan will die. Find out what happens next. Thanks.